In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create moving gradients and other cool background animations on Framer. We're turning a static gradient into a smooth, looping background animation that adds energy without stealing the spotlight from your content. This is perfect for hero sections, splash screens, or any page where you want subtle motion and polish. Start by clicking on a gradient block in your Framer canvas. You can select it directly on the canvas or from the Layers panel. Either way, make sure the gradient layer is highlighted so any changes apply to the right element. If your gradient fills a section or frame, that's ideal because the movement will feel consistent across the background. With the gradient selected, head to the right-hand sidebar and open the Effects panel. Effects is where Framer keeps visual treatments and animation controls, so this is home base for creating motion that looks intentional and refined. Inside Effects, click Loop. Looping tells Framer to repeat the animation continuously, which is exactly what we want for a living, breathing background. As soon as Loop is on, Framer will use default values, but we'll customize them for a smoother, more cinematic feel. Set Rotate to 360 and switch it to 2D. A full 360-degree rotation completes a clean cycle with no visible jump at the loop point. Choosing 2D keeps the motion flat and elegant, avoiding any perspective skew you'd get from a 3D rotation. Rotating a gradient is a simple trick that creates the illusion of shifting color and light, almost like a gentle aurora. By default, the rotation pivots around the center, which helps the motion feel balanced. Next, set delay to 3 seconds. Delay adds a pause between each loop, giving the animation a natural rhythm. 3 seconds creates a calm cadence. The gradient rotates, rests briefly, then starts again. If you're designing for a louder, more energetic brand, a shorter delay can feel snappier. For a minimalist look, a longer pause can feel more spacious. Now, click Preview. This opens a live view of your page, so you can watch the gradient animate in real context. Let it run for a few cycles and pay attention to the pacing. It should feel smooth, seamless, and supportive of your layout. If your sections include text or buttons, glance at readability while the gradient moves. Subtle motion should enhance the design, not distract from it. And that's all it takes. With a single gradient block, the Effects panel, Loop, a 360-degree 2D rotation, a 3-second delay, and a quick preview, you've got a clean, modern, animated background ready to elevate your Framer project.